I Razia Pathan from Nanmaji Vidyapith, Standard 4. So students, in the previous lecture, what we did, worksheet number 9, 10 and 11. In that worksheet, already we learned about the represent fractions in the numbers, and also we learn about the convert fractions from numbers to pictures. Okay, and your homework was a recap, worksheet number 12. Now today we'll do compare fractions in the pictorial form. Compare fractions in the pictorial form. That means यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स हो गए, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें कंपेयर करना है फ्रैक्शंस को. ठीक है. So in that today we'll start worksheet number 13. In that worksheet we'll do that comparing fraction. Okay, what we do today, comparing fractions. So let's see that first. Okay students, compare fractions in the pictorial form, worksheet number 13. Now comparing fractions. So in that, compare the following fractions 1/4 and 3/4. So first of all, represent the given fractions in the pictorial form. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो ये फ्रैक्शंस हमें दिया हुआ है उससे हमें पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो हियर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 2 सर्कल. इन दैट सर्कल फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 1/4. दैट मीन्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डू इट 4 parts of circle, and after that 1 part we have to shade it here, because of here is a 1/4. So one part हम क्या करेंगे, we have to shade it here. After that again we have to draw 1 circle, and part from circle in the 4 part, and after that we have to shade it 3 part, because of 3/4 is there. Now here you look at this. 1 part is blank from the 3/4, and 3 parts is blank in the 1/4. Now after that, compare the shaded portion, the fractions with the more number of shaded parts is the bigger fractions. Now what we have to do, हमें compare करना है. जहाँ पे more number shaded है, more number shaded हुए वहाँ पे, और स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है. सो 1/4, यहाँ पे 1 पार्ट ही शेडेड है, यहाँ पे 3 पार्ट ही शेडेड है. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी रिटर्न फर्स्ट, राइट द आंसर. यहाँ पे हम सिंबल करेंगे लेस देन का, बिकॉज ऑफ द 1 इज अ लेस देन 3, राइट. 1 इज अ लेस देन 3. सो हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट हियर, 1/4 इज लेस देन 3/4. 1/4 है वो 3/4 से कैसा है, कम है. ठीक है. नाउ कंपेयर द फ्रैक्शंस गिवन बिलो बाय रिटर्न लेस देन साइन, आइदर देन, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू. दिस वन साइन इज द लेस देन, दिस इज द ग्रेटर देन, एंड इक्वल टू साइन इज दैट. ओके. सो फर्स्ट वन पिक्चर 1/5 and 3/5. 1/5 and 3/5. So now tell me students, what we have to do. Here we have to draw 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle we have to draw it. Okay. After that, how many parts are here? 5. So rectangle के हम कितने parts बनाएंगे यहाँ पे? 5. 1 2 3 4 5, same as it is यहाँ पे भी. Okay. Now how many parts shaded here? 1 part को यहाँ पे हम शेड कर देंगे. After that here 3 parts, so 3 parts को हम शेड करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay. So which one is a bigger part? 3/5, right? And 1/5 is a smaller than. So we have to sign it out here, less than sign. Which sign we have to do? Less than sign, because 1/5 is less than 3/5. Okay, got it everyone? Now next one is 2/7 and 4/7. So again, what we have to do? We have to draw it here, two rectangle. Why we have to draw each and every time rectangle only? Because of we are not having the enough space in the book. Okay, that's the reason. Now 7 line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 2 parts we have to shade. Okay, how many parts we have to shade? 2 parts. And here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many parts here we have to shade it here? 4 parts. Okay, so here what we have to written here? 2 upon 7 is less than 4 upon 7. Less than 4 upon 7. Now 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3. 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. So in that what we have to do here, we have to draw 2 rectangle. That rectangle we have to divide in the 3 parts because of the fraction is 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. Okay, shaded one part, 1 upon 3. Shaded 2 part. Okay, completed. So here what we have to write here? 1 upon 3 is less than 2 upon 3. Next one, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So here what we have to do first? We have to draw 2 rectangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shaded 3 part first. And here we have to shade only 1 part. Okay. Now what we have to, what happened? 3 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 4 is just bada hai 1 upon 4 se. So what we have to write here? 3 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. 3 upon 4 is greater than 1 upon 4. Now look at these 4 questions and write it down in your notebook. I will give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes में आप लोगों को complete करना है, ठीक है? And students, I hope so you all are having the pencil, sharpener, eraser, workbook and notebook with you, because that all the things is necessary, right? Okay students, so I hope so your work is completed. Now your homework in the worksheet number 13, sum number E, F, G and H. That sums you have to do in the homework. Okay, now we'll start next worksheet. Next worksheet is worksheet number 14, comparison of fractions. Which one is that? Comparison of fractions. So in that, comparing fractions, compare the following fractions 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 8. So first of all, identify the numerical in the given fraction. First of all हम क्या करेंगे? Numerical, that means upper, जो ऊपर वाले जो numbers है उसको हम identify करेंगे. That one is 3 and 5. Which one is that? 3 and 5. Now compare the numerical. 3 is smaller than 5. So what we write here? Less than. The number with the bigger numerical is the bigger fraction. Okay. Now see, this one is a bigger numerical is a 5 and smaller numerical is a 3. So bigger numerical is a 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8 is a bigger numerical. So what we have to write? 3 less than 5. 3 upon 8 is less than 5 upon 8. Okay, got it? Now here, compare the fractions given below by written less than, greater than or equal to. So in that 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So 2 is a smaller than the 4. So what we have to write? 2 is a less than 4. 2 is a less than 4. 2 upon 5 less than 4. 2 upon 5 less than 4 upon 5. Next one, 1 upon 9 and 5 upon 9. So 1 upon 5 is less than 5 upon 9. 1 upon 9 is less than 5 upon 9. 7 upon 8, 8 upon 8. So in that 7 upon 8 is less than 8 upon 8. Next one is 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 7. So 2 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 7. 2 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 7. 6 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. 6 upon 7 is the greater than 2 upon 7. Because of 6 have वो 2 से bigger number है, ठीक है. 6 is a bigger number to 2 number. So 6 upon 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. Then 2 upon 8 and 4 upon 8. So 2 upon 8 is less than 4 upon 8. 7 upon 9, 8 upon 9. 7 upon 9 is the less than 8 upon 9. 8 upon 9. 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. 3 upon 5 is less than 2 upon 5. Got it? 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 6. 1 upon 8, 3 upon 8. 1 upon 8 is less than 3 upon 8. Now what you have to do, students, look at this 8 to 8 sums and copy it down in your notebook. I'll give you half an minute. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 15, page number 19. Compare fraction with half. So in that, compare the given fraction with half 1 upon 2. Now example is 6 upon 8 more or less than 1 upon 2. Okay, so first of all identify denominator and draw a rectangle with as many part of the denominator. Okay, first of all हम क्या करेंगे, denominator identify करेंगे. So the denominator is 8. So draw a rectangle with 8 parts. Rectangle को हम कितने parts में divide करेंगे, 8 part. Now divide the rectangle into half. Okay, so mark a line dividing the rectangle in half. Since 4 is half of 8. 4 is half of 8. Now see, this one is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ये half of 8 हुआ. We draw the line at the 4 part. Now हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, one line draw की 4 part में, dark line हम draw करेंगे. Now color as many part as the numerical of the given fractions. Now the numerical is 6, so color of 6 part. Now here numericals are how many are there, 6. तो हम कितने part में हम color करेंगे, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. हमें 2 things यहाँ पे identify करनी है. How many things we have to identify here? 2 things, denominators and the numerical. Denominators and numerical numbers we have to identify here. जो denominators होंगे उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, first of all हम उसको उतने पार्ट्स रेक्टेंगल करेंगे. आफ्टर दैट जो भी आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डू उसके हाफ पार्ट करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इज 8 पार्ट्स आर देयर, सो उसके हाफ 4 होते हैं, तो वहां पे एक हम डार्क लाइन बनाएंगे. आफ्टर दैट जो भी न्यूमेरिकल नंबर होगा, 6 नंबर इज हियर, सो 6 पार्ट में हम क्या करेंगे, उसको शेडेड करेंगे. ओके, नाउ चेक वेदर द कलर्ड पार्ट इज मोर और लेस देन हाफ मार्क. नाउ the colored part is more. Colored part है वो 1 upon half से ज्यादा है, right? So what we write here, 6 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 2. 6 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 2. Now we'll start. Compare the following fraction with half. Now 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. So what we have to do here, we have to draw one rectangle. That rectangle we have to divide in how many part? 8 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After that we have to color it in 3 parts because numerical number is a 3. We have to color it in the 3 parts. Okay, so here 3 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. So 3 upon 8 is less than 1 upon 2. बिकॉज ऑफ अगर हम 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 के हम हाफ पार्ट बनाएंगे तो वो 4 हो गए, राइट. हाउ मेनी आर देयर, यहाँ पे मैं 4 में हाफ पार्ट में हमने मार्क किया. सो हाफ पार्ट तो हुआ नहीं, दैट्स रीजन 3 अपॉन 8 इज लेस देन 1 अपॉन 2. नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन इज 5 अपॉन 6 एंड 1 अपॉन 2. सो इन दैट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ इट हियर. 6 line 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. नाउ हाफ करना है हमें 1 2 and 3 मार्क करेंगे यहाँ पे हम डार्क मार्क. ओके, नाउ 5 बॉक्स 6 तक हम क्या करेंगे, कलर करेंगे इसको. यहाँ पे मैं शेड कर रही हूँ. आप लोगों के पास कलर्स है तो आप लोग अच्छे से कलर भी कर सकते हो इसको, ठीक है. यू हैव टू कलर इट दैट थिंग्स. नाउ 5 अपॉन 6 1 अपॉन 2. सो हमने जो ये शेडेड पार्ट किया है, ठीक है, वो हाफ से ज्यादा है. यस, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर, 5 upon 6 is greater than 1 upon 2. फर्स्ट में क्या था, लेस देन 1 upon 2. हियर इज अ ग्रेटर देन 1 upon 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. वन पार्ट में हम शेड करेंगे, हाफ पार्ट यहाँ पे होगा उसका. दिस वन इज अ हाफ वन. वन अपॉन 4 इज लेस देन 1 अपॉन 2. बिकॉज ऑफ हाफ पार्ट से कम है, यहाँ पे शेडेड पार्ट है, दैट्स रीजन. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन 8 पार्ट हमें करने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. शेडेड 7 पार्ट हियर. Half 1 2 3 4. This one is a half. 7 upon 8 is greater than 1 upon 2. Greater than 1 upon 2. Okay. Now look at both the things. Okay, next one we have to do it. 2 upon 6, 1 upon 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Half part is 1 2 and 3. This one is a half part. Here 2 part we have to shade it here. 2 upon 6 is less than 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2, 4 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now we have to shade it. Half part हम करेंगे 1 2 3 4. Okay, now shade it 4 part here. 4 part we have to shade it here. Okay, now 4 upon 8 and 1 upon 2. So equal to part हुए, equal इसके part हो गए, right? So 4 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now look at this and draw it out in your workbook, page number 19. So students, आज हम लोगों ने वर्कशीट नंबर 13, 14 and 15 complete किया है, right? So your homework is you have to revise this 3 worksheet and again you have to write in your rough book. Okay? And remain जो sums थे वर्कशीट नंबर 13 में E, F, G and H, that one you have to complete it. I will send the answers in the WhatsApp group. You have to send the homework before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp. Okay everyone, I hope so you all are doing your homework well and send it on time. Okay everyone, bye. Have a nice day.